Learn to. Learn to.
Hey there, Khloe here, and you're right on time. Today we're spending the day at the farm. We're gonna see horses, chickens, goats, and so many more cool animals. But before we get started, we have to find Tyler and Benny. Have you seen them anywhere?
Oh, hey, Khloe.
Hi.
All right, I can't wait to show you all I've learned about this big tractor here on the farm. But first, we need to find Benny. Have you seen him?
No, I haven't.
Oh, there you are, Benny. Hi, buddy.
Hey. Hi, Benny.
Are you ready to explore this big farm today?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we're gonna learn all about life on the farm, and you can learn too.
Learn to.
Learn to, I learned something new and you can learn to. Learn to, I learned something new today. Learn to, I learned something new and you can learn to. Learn to, I learned something new today.
Learn to.
Okay, the first thing we're gonna do on the farm is check out this big tractor. Now, can you tell me what color this tractor is? Yeah, it's the color green. And it also has what other color right here? Yes, it's the color yellow. This is our big green and yellow tractor. Tractors just like this one are used on farms all around the world every day. Tractors are used for preparing the fields, planting seeds in the fields, and harvesting the crops that grow each season. Tractors can haul really heavy equipment and drive over really bumpy ground because they have powerful engines and really big wheels. Now, just like on Benny's little tractor, you can see it has a steering wheel and it has 4 small wheels. And on our big tractor, we also have a steering wheel and we have 4 big wheels. Look at the size of these things. Now, the yellow part here is the wheel, and then this black part on the outside is the tire. Just like the tires on your car, except these are massive. What's back here? This is called the back blade. So this is a tool that's attached to the back of the tractor that helps the farmers do different types of work around the farm. Let's go check out what's on the front. This right here is the front end loader, also called the bucket. So this is a really useful tool that a farmer can use on the front of his tractor to scoop dirt or different things around the farm to make the work a lot easier. Isn't this tractor awesome? It's humongous. I gotta drive it one more time. Tractors come in all different sizes and colors, and they help farmers get really hard work done on the farm. Hey, if you had your very own tractor, what color tractor would you want to have? That's a great choice. I think I would pick a green one just like we saw today here at the farm. Now that we've learned so much about tractors, let's see what else we can learn about here on this farm. On the farm, there are big animals like cows and horses, and they have to eat a whole lot of food. So what farmers do is they grow fields, and then they harvest those fields and turn them into bales of hay. And the horses and cows can eat on this hay all year long. So we thought we would see how good it tastes. You guys want to try some hay?
Yeah.
All right, let's see. Oh, not very good. I don't recommend eating the hay, but it's also really fun to climb on and play in. You guys want to play?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Don't just watch us play, look around you. What can you use to pretend that you are playing on hay bales too? Yeah, great. So come on, let's play. That was a lot of fun. Thank you for joining us on the farm today, and stay tuned for part 2, where we're gonna get up close and learn about some amazing farm animals. See you next time.
Learn to, I learned something new and you can learn to, I learned something new today.